Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Toro Snow Shovel Cordless 60v is probably one of the most convenient tools for snow removal. Imagine effortlessly clearing your sidewalks and driveways without the hassle of cords or the strain of manual shoveling. This video will dive deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Toro 60v cordless snow shovel, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your winter needs. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow from sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during the winter. This snow shovel features a tough, 2-blade auger. It clears an 11-inch wide and 7-inch deep path, throwing snow up to 20 feet. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with the efficient battery and quick charger. It clears up to 370 square feet per charge, and there's no need for gas or oil. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, this snow shovel is easy to handle. The ergonomic dual-handle design ensures comfort, reduces strain, and makes it easy to carry. The high-performance 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's ideal for small to medium areas, making the job quick and easy. What we like. This snow shovel is perfect for quick snow removal. Its cordless design means you can easily maneuver around your property without being tethered to an outlet. If you have a small driveway or just need to clear a walkway, this is a great choice. What people say. It throws the snow surprisingly far, works like a vacuum cleaner and is about the same weight. Shoveled my 300 square foot deck, stairs, sidewalk, double driveway, and 2 neighbors' driveways in 25 minutes, 2 of snow. Easy to assemble, took no time at all, small box for storage. Number 4. Greenworks 40V 12-inch Cordless Snow Shovel. Introducing the Greenworks Cordless Snow Shovel. This lightweight and powerful tool is designed to make winter maintenance easy. It will effortlessly move snow out of your way. The shovel features a 12-inch clearing width. This design efficiently clears a path by effectively moving snow aside. This snow shovel has the power to throw snow out of your way. It ensures efficient and effective snow removal. This shovel is best suited for snow depths of up to 6 inches. It is perfect for handling moderate snowfall. For optimal performance, use the battery at room temperature. Cold battery temperatures can hinder the snow thrower's starting process. If the unit doesn't start, simply remove the battery and allow it to warm indoors for 10 minutes or more. Afterward, reinstall the battery for a quick and successful start. What we like. This snow shovel is designed for easy snow removal. The 12-inch shoveling width makes clearing a path efficient. If you are looking for a shovel that can handle moderate snowfalls with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. What used to take me like 45 minutes shoveling I can now do in 5 minutes or less, and that's not an exaggeration. I found it works great on soft snow and hard icy snow alike, which I was worried about. It is definitely a little heavy, but given how powerful it is, I think it's the right trade-off. Number 3. VOLTASK 24V Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless snow shovel is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 9.3 pounds. It's powered by a 24-volt motor and a rechargeable battery, allowing it to throw snow up to 20 feet with a runtime of up to 25 minutes. Forget complicated setups. This snow shovel assembles in just 2 steps and operates with a simple button. The snow guide plates are adjustable, making snow removal easy to manage. The ergonomic handle is adjustable and designed with back protection in mind. It also features a dual safety switch to reduce the risk of accidents, ensuring safe and dependable snow removal. This electric snow shovel clears snow up to 13 inches wide and 6.5 inches deep. It's perfect for various surfaces and operates quietly, so it won't disturb your neighbors. VOLTASK is committed to delivering superior products. This snow shovel is designed for harsh winter conditions and has undergone rigorous testing to guarantee durability. It's ideal for home use or as a thoughtful gift, making winter tasks easier. What we like. This snow shovel is lightweight and easy to use. It features a directional plate, allowing you to control where the snow goes. If you like a snow shovel that is both safe and efficient, then you should consider this one. What people say. It clears snow effortlessly, throwing it a good distance and making quick work of my driveway, sidewalk, and deck. The ergonomic handle is comfortable, and the battery life is impressive, lasting long enough to get most jobs done. It is powerful, quick, and I can change the direction of the snow blow easily. Number 2. Greenworks 60v 12-inch Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless snow shovel makes clearing snow incredibly easy. It's lightweight and powerful, designed to make your snow removal tasks a breeze. With a 12-inch shoveling width, this tool quickly clears snow from your walkways and driveways. It efficiently moves snow out of your path, saving you time and effort. The snow shovel has a powerful snow-throwing capability. It effortlessly throws snow aside, making your snow removal tasks much easier. This snow shovel is perfect for moderate snow depths. It's designed to handle snow up to 6 inches deep, making it ideal for average snowfall conditions. For the best performance, store the batteries at room temperature. If the batteries are cold, it might affect the starting of the tool. If the unit doesn't start, simply remove the battery. Let it warm up indoors for at least 10 minutes, then reinstall and try again. What we like. This snow shovel offers effortless snow removal. The brushless motor provides efficient performance. If you are looking for a snow shovel that can handle moderate snow depths, then this is a great option. What people say. The shovel handled about 6 inches of fresh snow without issue. Anything higher required lifting the unit a bit and taking a bit off the top first. Super effective. I especially like that it's only 12 wide, as I can quickly and easily do the porch steps as well. After 1 season of use, and 4 snow events, the following are my comments. I found the battery life and the recharge time to be excellent. The unit was powerful, and able to handle the snow of up to 5 inch, sending it 20 feet away. It doesn't get clogged in heavy, wet snow. It moves a_lot_ of snow, and throws it quite far away. It works great for clearing the deck, clearing the walk, and today I used it to get my car unstuck when the plow hadn't come yet. It's portable enough to chuck in the car and take with if you think you might get snowed in somewhere. Number 1. Earthwise SN7401840V 18-inch Cordless Snow Thrower. Introducing the Earthwise SN74018 Snow Thrower. This cordless machine makes snow removal a breeze. It's designed to make your life easier during the winter months. With an 18-inch clearing width and a 12-inch clearing depth, it efficiently clears a path. This snow thrower is perfect for sidewalks and driveways, making snow removal quick and simple. Powered by a 40-volt brushless motor, this snow thrower delivers impressive performance. The included 4Ah battery and charger ensure it's ready to go whenever you need it. It can move up to 500 pounds of snow per minute. The powerful motor and efficient design allow it to handle heavy snowfall with ease, saving you time and effort. Equipped with 2 LED spotlights and an ergonomic handle, it offers enhanced visibility. The 180-degree rotating chute allows you to direct the snow exactly where you want it. What we like. This snow thrower is designed for efficient snow removal. It features a wide clearing width and a powerful motor. If you have a larger area to clear and need extra visibility, you should consider this snow thrower. What people say. This is light, easy to pick up with a handle in a balanced position. Pop in the battery, take it outside, push the button and pull back on the rail and you are blowing snow. Works great on the light to light medium, throwing it maybe 15 to 25 feet, would blow light snow that far, easily and more. Headlights, great, my wife leaves for work at 5 a.m. and we have used the lights and they are very effective. Have I cleared my entire drive and turnaround area on one charge on all these occasions? Yes, absolutely. Unit did not slow down. There are 3 lights on the battery, indicating charge. When done, I had 1 light left. Charging time seems to me to be about 1 hours. I think it took 2 hours at one point after clearing the 412 inches. Would I buy again? Yes, for sure. It's too convenient not to, and my father-in-law, after seeing its performance, bought the exact same model. He loves it because it is so light. Lastly, took me 15 minutes to assemble. It is practically put together for you and it seems to be heavy duty enough to handle the amount of snow that it is engaging. No, there hasn't. Will there be? Probably. Hope this helps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.